This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by duplicating the background so you can always revert. This prevents destructive edits. Once done, zoom in to 100% and enable rulers to judge scale. Select the spot healing brush for small specks or the patch tool for larger debris. Make sure Content Aware is active for seamless fills and set a brush slightly larger than the trash. You'll act locally and non-destructively. That saves time and avoids accidental blurring of important texture. Now you methodically remove debris. For tiny specks, click or paint with spot healing. It samples surrounding pixels to match texture and color. For bigger trash, draw a loose lasso selection, then drag with the patch tool to a clean area. This preserves structure. Once done, switch to Clone Stamp for repeating patterns or where Content Aware struggles. Sample with Alt/Option and clone with low opacity to blend. Make sure to toggle between tools so transitions remain natural and consistent. Finish by refining edges and grain so the repair is invisible. If color and texture separate, use frequency separation to fix tone on the low layer and texture on the high layer. Once satisfied, stamp visible to a new layer and apply a tiny amount of noise or careful sharpening to match the original film grain. If something looks wrong, undo or use the history brush to restore areas. And remember, you can always revert to your duplicated background to try a different approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.